So students, in this video we will talk about expansion in supply and increase in supply, and along with that contraction in supply and decrease in supply. When we talk about expansion, that means increase, and when we talk about increase, that's the increase. So in normal terms, in normal words, both the meaning is same. Expansion and increase both are same. एक्सपेंशन मतलब बढ़ना और इंक्रीज मतलब भी बढ़ना. बट इन इकोनॉमिक्स व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एक्सपेंशन एंड इंक्रीज इन द टर्म ऑफ सप्लाई, बोथ हैज डिफरेंट मीनिंग. एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सप्लाई, फर्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सप्लाई. इन एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सप्लाई other things are remain unchanged and supply increases as a result of increase in the price of the commodity, where other things remain unchanged. We will understand it with the diagram. Here we are making the diagram of supply. X-axis represent quantity and y-axis represent price. Here we are taking initial price P, where the initial quantity is Q, and this is the supply curve SS. Here we are going to increase the price of the commodity. We are increasing price from OP to OP1, and what the loss is when increase in price leads to increase in the supply. So as price is increasing, supply will also increase by OQ to OQ1. Here we can say the supply is increasing, but supply is increasing as a result of increase in the price of the commodity. So that will be known as expansion of supply. Expansion in supply. Okay, so expansion is supply where the supply increases as a result of increase in the price of the commodity. Means here price is responding the supply, or supply is responding or changing or increasing as a result of increasing the price of the commodity. Where increase in supply is another phenomenon, where supply increases as a result of change in other factor and price remain unchanged. प्राइस क्या रहती है? अनचेंज रहती है, and सप्लाई क्या होती है? इंक्रीज होती है as a result of change in other factor such as less input cost, less taxes, favorable natural conditions, favorable monsoon, change in technology. Here what will happen? X-axis, y-axis. Y-axis represents price and x-axis represents quantity. We are here making an initial price P and initial quantity is Q. Here the supply curve is SS, but the price as of OP, the supply was OQ, where we have make a supply curve SS. Now say at the same price, supply is increasing from OQ to OQ1. Now the supply has been increased from OQ to OQ1 at the same price OQ. Now another supply curve we are having here, S1. The supply has increased and now it will be known as increase in supply. Increase in supply. Here you can see in the first, where the expansion in supply, the supply curve SS has not shifted. The supply has increased as a result of increasing the price of the commodity. Here is increase in supply. The supply curve has been shifted rightward from SS to S1 as the price is not changing, the price is not change in price is the same. Price is OP when the supply was OQ at the supply curve SS, and now the supply has been increased at the same price OP, and supply curve has shifted from SS to S1 S1. Now another thing is contraction in supply and decrease in supply. Here the same sound, contraction मतलब कम होना, decrease मतलब भी कम होना, घटना. But here the meaning is different. Contraction in supply, when we talk about contraction in supply, contraction in supply, contraction in supply, where the supply decreases as a result of decrease in price as losses, and other things remain unchanged. Where other things remain unchanged and supply decreases as a result of decrease in the price of the commodity. प्राइस कम्युनिटी की कम होती है तो सप्लाई क्या हो जा रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है. सच कंडीशन इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन सप्लाई. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द डायग्राम. X axis, Y axis. X axis represents quantity, where Y axis represents price. Now we have having here initial price OP and initial quantity Q. Supply curve is SS. Now we are going to decrease the price of the commodity from OP to OP1. The supply price has decreased. That means supply will also decrease as a result of decrease in the price of the commodity. Here we are seeing here the supply has been decreased as a result of decrease in the price of the commodity. So this condition will be known as contraction in supply. Contraction in supply. Another thing we will talk about, decrease in supply. Decrease in supply is a phenomenon or the condition where supply decreases as a result of change in other factor and supply and the price remain unchanged. It may be increase in the cost of production, change in technology, unfavorable climatic conditions, increase in the taxes, restrictions of the government, anything. But the price will not be responsible for that. Means price will remain unchanged, remain constant. Let's understand with the diagram. X-axis which represent quantity and Y-axis which represent price. Here price is OP and the initial quantity is OQ. Initial price is OP and the initial quantity is OQ, and on that the supply curve is made when there is an intersection of price and the supply. Now at the same price, now supply has been decreased from OQ to OQ1, and supply curve has been shifted from SS to S1 S1. It shows decrease in the supply, but the price is remain unchanged. So this condition will be known as decrease in supply. This condition will be known as decrease in price. So now understand this. Contraction in supply means where the supply decreases as a result of decrease in the price of the commodity and other things remain unchanged. And decrease in supply is the result of change in other factors where price remain constant.